The Internet web browser. What is a network? Students, suppose your school plans to go somewhere for a picnic. Your school coordinator plans to go via bus. Since no one has visited that place earlier, so the coordinator decides to take the help of Google Map. It displays the areas connected through a network of roads. These networks help us reaching our destination with ease. Your computer and your smartphone will help you in this work only if it is connected to the computer that is at the other end. A network of roads connects various towns and cities. Likewise, there exists a network that connects numerous computers with each other. Such network is known as the computer network. Introduction to the Internet. Internet is a commonly used term in today's world. You definitely have come across it. In this chapter, we will understand the basics of the Internet and why it is so important in our lives. Internet stands for Interconnected Networks. A group of computers and other devices like laptops, printers, servers and so on connected together to share information and resources is called a network. Internet is a global network of such networks spread all over the world. Millions of devices are connected through Internet, making this world a small place. Physically, the devices could be connected either through wires or wirelessly. Internet is popularly called net. Uses of the Internet. Internet is so popular because it is very useful to everyone. Some of the most popular uses of the Internet include getting information on various topics, talking to friends and family, sending text, voice and video messages, shopping across the globe, watching movies, web series and TV shows, booking railway or air tickets anytime and from anywhere, performing banking operations round the clock from anywhere, getting real-time news about the events taking place around the world. Whether you want information for your school project, literature, sports or entertainment, you can get it from the Internet. Common Internet terms. Some of the commonly used Internet terms are described here. www. www stands for World Wide Web. www refers to a network of sites on the Internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animation and videos. This information can be accessed by people all over the world. URL. A website is identified through its unique address, which is known as URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is commonly known as web address. To access any website, we need to enter a URL or a web address on a web browser. Example: www.wikipedia.org, www.google.com, www.rediffmail.com and so on. Net surfing. It is a commonly used term which means using the Internet through an application called web browser. Web browser. It is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. There are different types of web browsers: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and so on. Web page. The digital pages that are available on the www and can be accessed through any web browsers are called web pages. A web page can contain text, audio, video, images, hyperlinks, and other multimedia content. Website. A collection of related web pages is called a website. Each website must have its own registered address through which it can uniquely be identified and located on the internet. The address of a website is called a web address or URL. Home page. The first page of any website is called the home page. It contains the main information of any website and also provides links to other pages. Connecting to the internet. To get information from the vast knowledge house called internet, we need to connect to it first. Let us understand the basics of connecting to the internet. The following essential components are required to connect a computer system to the internet. Modem. Modem is known as modulator, demodulator. Modem transfers digital information over telephone line and vice versa. It is a device that works as a link between a computer and internet. The speed of a modem is measured in bits per second, BPS. Transmission media. The medium over which data or information is sent and received is called transmission media. The transmission media can be wired or wireless. Examples of wired medium include telephone lines, copper cable wires, optic fiber cables, and so on. Wireless transmission media includes infrared waves, air, and so on. Transmission media help in establishing a link between the different computers and the servers. Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider, ISP, is a company that provides you a subscription of internet connection in exchange of monthly or yearly fees. Some of the most popular ISPs in India are Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, BSNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, MTNL, Airtel, Jio, Vodafone Idea Limited. Web browser and its parts. Google Chrome. It is one of the most popular and widely used web browsers developed by Google. You can open it either by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop or select the Start All Programs Google Chrome. Address bar. This is the part of a web browser where web address or URL is entered. It is usually presented at the top of almost every web browser. Back. Clicking on this button takes you to the previously visited page. Forward. Clicking on the Forward button will take you to the page that you were on before you pressed the Back button. Reload this page. Clicking on this button will reload the most recent version of the current page. Bookmark this page. This option allows the user to store and organize the chosen websites so that one can revisit them whenever needed. New tab. Clicking on this button allows you to open a website or web page on a new tab of the current browser window. Customize and control Google Chrome. Clicking on this button will display a drop-down menu with several options to customize and control the Google Chrome settings. Some of these options are Print. Clicking on this option prints a copy of the currently open web page. History. This option displays a list of websites you visited recently. Zoom. It allows you to increase or decrease the view size of a web page. Clicking on the plus symbol to zoom in the page and to zoom out the page, click on the minus symbol. Click on the screen symbol to select the full screen mode. More tools. Clicking on this option provides different options like Save Page As, Clear Browsing Data, Task Manager, and so on. Search engines. Websites that are exclusively dedicated to assist the users in searching the information over www are called search engines. Some of the most popular search engines are Google, www.google.com, Bing, www.bing.com, Yahoo Search, search.yahoo.com, Ask, www.ask.com. Using a search engine, connect your computer system to the internet. Open the desired web browser. In the address bar, type www.google.com to open the Google search engine and press enter. Place the pointer in the search bar and type the keyword related to information you wish to search. For example, Mother Teresa, and click on the search button or press enter. A list of websites containing related information is displayed. Click on the link which you find the most relevant. The selected website opens.